back to another video, guys. Now we're going to be making some lo mein. Now in this lo mein we're going to be using zucchini, which is going to substitute for our lo mein noodles or chow mein noodles. Alright, so we're also going to be adding in it some mushroom that is going to be the source of protein, some snow peas, carrots, scallion, onions, garlic and ginger, variety of sweet peppers. Now if it's it that you don't have any vegetable here, you can always substitute for whatever you have, right? The most important thing about lo mein is the sauce. I'm going to show you how to make up the sauce a little later. So let's get straight into this video, guys. Let me show you what I'm going to be doing. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. As usual, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Alright, let's get right into it. See how you get them in a thin disc? We're going to put them together and just cut them. Now for your mushroom, you want to make sure you wash them thoroughly. I wash mine with some vinegar. Alright, so we're just going to cut them. And we're using everything on the mushroom, right? Because remember, mushroom kind of stand as a meaty substitute. Right? So I think it's the best thing we can use for this lo mein. And you can cut them in any particular way of your choice, right? Cut them in two, cut them in strips. Just about any way of cutting is okay. Now guys, if you don't have a spiralizer, you can use like a julienne cutter. It will give you the same spiral, not spiral, but it will give you a thinner slice of the zucchini, right? Alright, so we're going to just put the zucchini on it. This was all I get from one zucchini. Okay, so we're going to go ahead now and make up the sauce. Our sauce will consist of mushroom flavor stir fry sauce, we're going to be using some sesame oil. Now you cannot cook with sesame oil, it just enhances the flavor of the stir fry or your chow mein or lo mein. Okay, so we're going to incorporate it in the sauce, because I think that if you put it in the hot pot, it's gonna just taste burnt and you don't want that, right? By all means, if you love the flavor of sesame oil, you can go ahead and add more. We're going to add some agave. You can use sugar if you don't have this. And also some liquid aminos. If you don't have liquid aminos, you can use soy sauce, okay? And you want to make sure you use a light soy sauce because you don't want it to be too salty when you're finished making it. I always say to have a little bit of slurry beside you. This is cornstarch and water, just in case the vegetables start springing a lot of water, then this is to your rescue. Alright, let's move over to the pot now. Okay, so like about a tablespoon of oil. We're going to saute our ginger and garlic first. Gonna go in with our scallion. And maybe some of our onions, okay? Don't want a piece of purple onion there. I just had it in the fridge and didn't want to throw it out, so I just incorporated it in this. Now we're going to add the mushroom. And you can just let that hang out in the pot for a little. You don't want to stir it up and thing, because guess what? We want to just maybe dry out some of the water that the mushroom will spring. Now, while searing your mushroom, you will notice it's gonna get smoky. You can just, you know, spin the pot a little with them. Now we're going to go in with our snow peas, carrots, sweet peppers, don't you worry about flavor, because remember the sauce is going to bring in all the flavor, so don't worry about salt and pepper. You can add in a little white pepper if you so desire, but apart from that, this should be fine as is. Also gonna add the onions that we didn't add earlier, well, some of. You can add the sauce now. Now this dish, guys, is super easy, and I know you're wondering why I don't add the zucchini. No, I do not want to add the zucchini because it will add additional, it will start, so the water will start to come from it, right? So I want to add it last. Alright, we can just scoop all of these over to one side. Since our pot is big enough, we don't have to remove anything. We're going to add the zucchini now. And this is looking so nice, smelling so nice. Perfect. We didn't get the zucchini in too much, too long for it to start sweating the water out of it. And this, my friend, is a nice lunch you can carry, a nice dinner, in case you don't want to have, like I said, if you don't want to have the flour noodles. Nice alternative we have here. Alright, so we can turn off the pot now, and guess what? the heat from the pot will continue to cook the zucchini, which is what we want. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. It is super easy to make. Until next time, bye.